This is a problem from section 4.3 lab assignment, and here they're asking us to suppose that f double prime is continuous on all real numbers. The first part of the question says that if f prime of -2 is equal to 0 and f double prime is -2, what can you say about f? Well, the second derivative says that if the first derivative is equal to 0 and the second derivative is negative, then we have a local maximum. Think about the negative second derivative as being concave down. Think about that as an upside down u, and so think about it as a maximum. Therefore, f of -2 is a local maximum. Next part, if f prime of -2 is 0 and f double prime is -2, so that's the same problem we have. We have a local maximum at x is equal to -2. And I guess that's our conclusion. Second part here is that if f prime of 1 is equal to 0 and f double prime of 1 is also equal to 0, they want us to figure out what we can say about that. If the second derivative test says that if f prime of x naught is equal to 0 and f prime is bigger than 0, so it's bigger than 0, think about this as concave up. And so at the middle of the concave up, the u, like the letter u is concave up, we have a local minimum there. And if the second derivative is equal to 0, then the second derivative fails. So that's what the second derivative says, and now we just have to interpret it. Because the second derivative is equal to 0, this is a critical point, but then we can't conclude if this is a maximum or a minimum. So it looks like it might be neither a maximum nor a minimum, but it actually could be a maximum or a minimum, and we're not going to know until we get more information about it. So we cannot come to a conclusion. Okay.